So guys, for the first time, you need to make sure that your Chrome or your device is fully up to date. You need to go ahead on three dots. Here go for settings. Here you need to scroll down and here go for about Brave. And similarly, it's on the Brave. And if you want to go on the Chrome and go and press your Google Chrome, here go on the three dots. Here go on settings. Here you need to scroll about until you see about Chrome. Click on it, and here make sure that your Chrome is up to date. For example, in my case, updating the Chrome. After that, the update will be done. After that, if the Chrome is updated and your issue is still there, you need to go here in the left side, reset settings, and here go. Make sure that you need to make sure that this option is checked. After that, you need to go and reset settings, and after that, you need to get out of here. And for the last step, you need to make sure that you have your VPN or any proxy turned off. You don't own or you don't process any VPN or any proxy server. And for the last step, you need to go ahead search and here search for date and time and press enter. And after that, you need to make sure that you have here set time zone automatically, and all these things turned on. And after that, you need to go ahead sync now, and make sure it is synchronized and make sure that tick is there. And after you need to restart your PC, and this will make sure that your issue is correctly done.